you hate it when you're on the phone and you get put on hold for 15 minutes when all you need is a quick update to know if your truck will be repaired in time for a delivery today? It's the worst, and you could have used that precious time to finish scheduling all your drivers for deliveries, or maybe even play with your dog or catch up on that fun show you've started that everyone's been talking about. That's why with the EMDECS Customer Portal, you reduce the time spent on the phone and waiting for email updates to loyal customers like yourself. With this customer portal, you can see exactly what's going on with your vehicles when you need to know it. Navigate the portal, accessible via any device connected to the internet, to see the status of your vehicles, or use it to pull up valuable unit repair histories, invoices, and cost breakdowns. This is just one of the ways EMDECS is helping to streamline your fleet operations. For more information, visit BrightOrder.com.